want to share an opportunity with you that I've been dabbling into since about 2019. It does take a while to learn it, especially if you have other things going on in life. If you're single and you live by yourself, you might pick up the skill a little bit faster, but you have to stay focused. That's the key to this, especially. What I'm talking about is Forex. You can definitely make anywhere between $1,000 to $1,000 a day eventually. When you first get started, for me, back in 2019, when I was first introduced to it, it felt like a total foreign language to me. Like, I was like, what am I looking at? Like, all these candles, like, what do they mean? But it was, so at first, when I was following this guy, I was trying to learn how to make money online with CPA and affiliate marketing, and he was really good at that. He had a lot of ideas, but then I noticed his videos shifted to Forex, and he just kept, like, after a while, most of his videos were just Forex, and I was kind of irritated. I was like, why is this guy keep like pushing this Forex thing? Like, it looks so boring, you know? Like, it was like these candles, I think at the time they were on a MT4 platform, so it was like green candles or something like that. I remember vaguely. And I'm like, this is so boring. Like, why does he keep sharing this? Like, can he get back to the CPA? Can he get back to the money, please? Like, anybody got time for this? But he kept pushing. And I'm talking about Jeremy Cash Young, CEO, by the way. I know a lot of you guys probably know him. He's a really big time influencer out there. He's excellent at what he does. He's amazing when it came to CPA marketing back in the day, and I'm sure he's using some of those strategies now, but he's an excellent Forex trader. And so I'm sorry if I'm all over the place with this video, but this is a really exciting subject for me to speak about. He got me into Forex, and like I was saying before, I was like really irritated because I wanted to learn CPA marketing, and I loved how he talked, like the way he spoke, or even the way he speaks now is relatable, you know. But eventually something sparked my interest. He had a course that was $100 at the time, back in like 2019, and I went and purchased it, but I didn't really take it seriously. I think I kind of like looked over some of the videos, and then I just kind of like was like, whatever. Like, you know, I was all over the place just trying to find like some easy, quick get rich scheme, which that's just not how life works. Like, if somebody said you can make $1 million tomorrow, like, run the other way, because that's nothing works like that. So anyway, I purchased his course, and then in his videos he started explaining like where he got the idea about getting into Forex, or where he learned about Forex, and he mentioned somebody named Leon Williams. And so I looked him up, and I ended up purchasing his course. But oh my gosh, it was so confusing, you guys. Like, he was all over the place. This dude literally, like, it really felt like he didn't really know what he was talking about, and he just like took videos from other people that from someone else. That's what it looked like. Like, his training looked like it was scraped from somebody else. But hey, I don't know. Like, don't sue me, Leo, because I don't know. Maybe that was your stuff, but I was confused. So I was watching Jeremy Cash Young's video. He had all these like ideas on how to make money with Forex. Like, he came up with all these like awesome little like methods, you know. But anyhow, I'm saying all this to tell you guys that Forex, it is really a gold mine. But you guys, there's so many different ways to trade it. There's so many different ways to approach it. I would say my best advice for you to get started with Forex is to go to babypips.com, and the training on there is completely free. And I think if you can get through that training, then that means that Forex might be the thing for you. Okay, it might actually be the thing for you. But if you're going through the training and you're like, oh my gosh, this is so boring, like I can't see myself doing this, then Forex might not be for you. And that's okay. It's not for everybody. It really isn't. It takes a lot of patience, a lot of patience. And that's something I'm still working on to this day, is patience. Because because you have to wait on the setup. You have to wait. You can't just keep jumping in and out of the market. You can't sit in front of the screen all day. I could tell you my story. So after I got into showed interest in Forex in 2019, in 2020 is when I really started getting into it. I was on, it was really, back in the day, MLMs was really a big thing in the Forex community. And people would literally try to recruit you and say, hey, you want to learn this? You guys know the story. Everybody that's been around for a while, you know the story. Hey, you go come sign up with me. You gonna learn how to trade Forex. You gonna make all this money. Yada yada yada. But it was just like a pyramid scheme type situation. They had a lot of companies like that. So I joined one company, but the thing is, you had to pay like every month to be a part of the company. But if you brought people in, then whoever, like, if you brought people in, that would pay for your membership or whatever. You guys know what I'm talking about. You oldies, goldies, but goodies, y'all know what I'm talking about. But yeah, you guys. So yeah, that's how I got started with that. And then from there, Telegram. Forex was really big on Telegram back in those days, like 2020 during the pandemic. And so somehow I was part of a bunch of different Forex groups in Telegram. And then like a couple guys, they put together a group in another platform called, what was that platform called? Let me see if I can find the name for you guys. It's called Discord. I think it's still a big community in Discord. A lot of different communities actually. But anyway, so via Discord, these guys formed this group, and then they were teaching us their way of how to trade Forex with a bunch of indicators. And they literally would one of the guys was a developer, and so he would develop all these different indicators, and then he would have a training and show us how it worked. And so we just used a lot of indicators. We're indicator traders. But then I realized one day, I was like, you know what? Like, I really desire to be a trader that can read the charts naked. And what I mean by that is not to have so much indicators on the charts, because the indicators, to me, it was so much noise. It was such a distraction, and you couldn't really see what was going on. So that was always my goal. I was like, I want to learn how to read the charts naked. I want to know how to. I want to really be able to tell what's going on. And so one day, within our group, our trading group, someone posted a video of this woman who she really caught my attention. Not only because she looked like me, I am an African American woman, but she traded naked, and that's the goal that I had. And so she was in this interview and kind of explaining her style and her approach to the market, and it was just so realistic that I started following her. Her name is Jessica Lane. And so I started following her on YouTube, and she was like telling you different things that she did. And she, every Sunday, even to this day, she would have like a give back day to the community where she would just share different tips and how to approach the market and psychology and all that. And she would bring her students on, and they would give their experiences on where they started and what they had to do to be successful. And so I ended up purchasing her course. I believe it was the end of 2020, or maybe it was the end of 2020, somewhere between 2020 and 2021. I purchased her course, and it was really intense, but you guys, it was worth every single penny. I'm not gonna say how much I paid, because price probably went up so much more by now. But oh my goodness, my husband allowed me. I talked to him first because it was gonna be kind of a significant purchase, but I was like, I felt like it was really important to invest in yourself, and I really believed in her. So I purchased her course. It had a lot of homework. There was a lot of homework, and the homework is so important because, and I've never really been a studious person, but I was dedicated. So you do one assignment a week, and so in structure. So assignment number 2 was the hardest homework. I think I'm gonna do that 3 or 4 times. But you guys, it really helped me to see the market for what it is. Okay, it really is so much easier than what a lot of these gurus be doing online right now on YouTube, trying to confuse you guys. It's really not that hard. Let me tell you something. Forex is simple, but it's not easy. It's simple because if you do your top-down analysis, which basically means you go to the monthly time frame, look and see what structure is, and break that down to the 30-minute. Even some people break it down to the 15-minute, but I stop at the 30-minute. And then if I don't have a lot of clarity on the 30-minute, I'll go to the 5-minute and try and get an entry there. But that's very rare. I usually stick to 30-minute because it's very clear. But anyway, I'm going on a rant. Sorry, you guys. I'm really excited and passionate about this thing called Forex. I really am, and that was really my motivation for coming back on this channel. But there's just so much I want to do. I want to share my Forex experience. I really do. I said before I wasn't going to, but I do. I am because it's a way to make money online. And in my opinion, if you don't want to deal with people, so you don't want to depend on somebody to buy something from you, Forex really is a you against you type of situation, but you can make a lot of money from it if you focus and you do your back testing, you do your homework. Like I'm telling you guys, like it could be a game changer for you. But Jessica Lane's course, it was really helpful. Helped me see structure, and you cannot trade in these markets if you don't understand structure. Okay, I have a video, you can look at it. It speaks about structure, and I think you can benefit from it. Like it's gonna tell you like basically it's one of these videos I made. Just look at my older videos. I talk about market structure. But anyways, it's not that hard. It's higher highs and higher lows if you're looking at an uptrend, and lower lows and lower highs if you're looking at a downtrend. Maybe I'll make another video to give you guys a little bit more clarity. But that's pretty much like what it is. So, look me, I got lost now about what I was speaking about. But Forex, I'm telling you guys, like it. Once you guys get it, once you put in the work and you understand what you're looking at, you can make money. Now, for me, I have like family and stuff, so like I don't have like unlimited free time, and I had another baby in the middle and in between the years or over the years, so like yeah, I had to like stop, but and come back, stop, take a break, and come back because it's really intense. It's a lot. But now I can finally say in the year 2025, over 5 years later, I'm finally a profitable trader. So I'm happy if you guys will have me. I'm excited at the possibility of being your free mentor on YouTube, and answering any questions that you may have. I'll answer them for you if I can. If I can't, I can't. We can figure it out together. I can do some research for you, but really, Forex is all about market structure, and really, seriously, it is. It really is. I'm gonna show you guys when I get a second. I don't have time. I don't have a minute right now, but I will make a video about market structure, just so that you guys can kind of that clear understanding. But I do have a video where I covered it a little bit. So just look back at my older videos. I think it was my gold chart. Gold has been my baby for a long, long time, you guys. But lately, like the last few weeks, US 30, I've always had a love for US 30. That's always been a goal for me to trade US 30. So that's my baby right now. That's kind of always been my goal, to be my baby, because you can make the most money off of US 30, like for real. The broker I use I'll make a video about that too, but I use Sway Markets, and they've been pretty good to me. They've been pretty good. Their spreads are pretty good. Yeah, they're pretty fair. So, all right. Well, thank you for taking the time to watch my video, you guys. I truly appreciate it. I hope you guys subscribe to my channel so you can be the first to get notified when I do another video. And I guess I will holler at you guys later. Peace. Oh, remember, go to babypips.com. You know what? I'll type it in my description. Yeah, my description, my profile description. So look in there for babypips.com. If you're interested in my broker, I'll leave that link down there as well. It's free to sign up with the broker. You can always sign up for a demo account and just trade demo to see get your feet wet. But I wouldn't advise you to do that until you get your education and see if this is for you. So, all right, you guys. Well, I'll see you guys in the next one.